Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 312. If we just start with this box here, we're only missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7. 3 and 7 here. So this is our 6. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 and 3 here. So 2, 4. 1 and 4 here. So 2, 3. 2 here, 3 here. So 1, 4. 2 and 4 here. So 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5, 8. 3 here, 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, and 8 here, which means this is our 3. 5 here, so 4, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 8, 3, and 8 here, which means this is our 4. That makes this our 8 and our 3. Now we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here. So 2, 5, 9. 7 and 9 here. So 2, 5. 5 and 9 here. 7 here. Means this is our 2. 5 and 9 makes this our 7. So now that 2 makes this our 5. 9. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. That 5 makes this our 4, 2, 3. And that 4 makes this our 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here and a 6 here. So this is our 8. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 4. That 3 makes this our 1. If we look at this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 2, 5, 5 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. That 2 makes this our 6, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4. I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 3, 8. 3 and 8 here. So this is our 6. And no help here. So 3, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here. So 4, 3. That 3 makes us our 8, 3. That 4 makes us our 2 and 4. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.